Oh, wait the fuck, my camera's totally fucking full. It's totally fucked up. What happened? Oh no, it's in backwards. Oh, it's on right. Oh no, look, oh shit, now we can see almost. We're 13 seconds in, that's like a fucking, look, I fixed it. Look, it's DJ Joey. What are you doing, DJ Joey? Are these all your stolen bikes, Joey? You were out late last night stealing bikes?
No, we're fixing up these bikes, so we're selling them soon. So
I don't know.
That one is staying like that for now. We don't know what the heck we're doing with that.
I don't know, Joey. This looks like this kind of looks like a bicycle chop shop you're running here. Is this some kind of black market bike thing you're doing?
No,
Joey,
fixing up the bikes.
Are these bikes all stolen, Joey? I don't know. That looks like my old bike. Back there. That looks like my old bike. Son of a bitch. Where you find this guy?
I reckon I'm about to pump up this tire.
Alright, well I reckon you pumped that tire up. Oh, look, you got a guard dog. Oh, see, you're smart. You got a guard dog guarding your stolen bikes. Now, if the people who had the bikes had a guard dog there, but you wouldn't have stolen them, right? Because the dog would have been making too much noise. And what is this fucking thing back here, Joey? What are you doing with this thing?
Killer trike.
A killer trike. Nice. What are you doing? Turning the gas tank into a gas tank?
Yep.
Wow, look at you doing stuff. A nice shiny seat. Nice backrest. Look at that. I had nothing to do with this. I had nothing to do with this, Joey. You do good. You do good work, Joey.
Okay, we're in the camera.
You do all right work, Joey. So that's the death cycle.
Yep, the death cycle.
That's pretty good. And I guess there's a lot of stolen bikes in here, Joey. I don't understand where all these bikes come from. I'll try not to. See, these bead locks would look really good on that drift trike, I think. Those would look really good. Yeah. We might actually have to put those on that drift trike. Look at this place. Look at how neat you keep your tools, Joey.
Yeah.
Wow, look how neat you keep your tools, bud. Holy shit, Joey. You got more stuff in here. Oh, look, he keeps all his pliers and all his wrenches. Look how neat he, look at you keeping your stuff so neat and clean. Holy shit. DJ Joey working on all his stolen bikes. Please don't report us. Please don't report us.
So, you want to know where I got this air pump from?
I don't want to know.
My mom.
Okay.
So,
well, be sure to thank your mom. Okay.
So I call this the air pumper.
That's the air pumper. Okay.
So you have to put up your nose.
No, that's not going to work. I think that would probably blow your brain out your ear or something if you did that.
No, I think you should put
I think one of your eyes would fall out.
No, I think you should put it on the bike.
All right, give that a shot. See if that'll work. See if that'll work there.
If I can get that one.
Well, if you put the stem on the bottom, it's not going to want to run away from you, the wheel. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you kind of. Technical difficulties. Please stand by.
So basically, we gotta fill up this tire to 41.
It says 41, but it's actually about 35, 38 pounds. So, but it says 41 on the broken gauge.
Yeah, so the gauge.
So basically, you should have been out stealing gauges last night instead of bikes.
And your sunglasses.
That's all right.
So let's see if this bike works. We're gonna try it out.
Did back tire got air in it?
Yep.
All right, give it a shot. Give it a shot. Hey, wait. Grab a little.
Put the little cap back on. As you guys can see.
Put the little cap back on. Hold on a second there. It's got a chain guard on it, so I'm gonna spray the chain. Here, hold that for a second.
So
I'm gonna spray the little chain because it's a little rusty. But the chain guard, because it has the chain guard on it, you should be okay with your pants. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get shit on your pants. Actually, all you got to do is just spin and crank this sumbitch while it's upside down. Oh no, we can't. Wow, don't want to turn. Oh, what'd you do, Joey? Why'd you got a broken bike, Joey? Holy shit! All right, there we go. Maybe it'll move now. No. All right, this might be a problem. Now we got technical difficulties.
Definitely technical.
This bike probably sat so long.
It
All right,
stopped
give me that back.
spinning. Ow.
You try and spin the back tire. Flip it over and try and see if you can give her a ride while I step on my sunglasses.
Still moving.
Yeah, it's moving, but the pedals don't want to move. I think the chain might be on too tight and it's rusted.
Yep.
Look at him go. Ride it like you stole it, Joey. Ride it like you stole it. Oh, I thought he was going to steal it for a minute. Thought he was really going to steal the bike.
So we gotta basically crank the brakes up so it could do this.
Oh,
Brakes suck.
the stopping power. But that pedal's that pedal's back brakes pedal, right? You get brakes when you pedal backwards. Yeah, so that's not really the freestyle.
So this
but
bike is a piece of junk.
well, no, it's actually a Harrow. It's a decent bike. It just has a coaster brake. Like you said, we were talking. The bike is set up for a younger rider. And then you got your Bluffy Huffy over there, the BMX Bluffy Huffy. You're gonna work on next, right?
Yep.
Look at this guy. Oh, he needed a seat on that, Joe. It looks like somebody fucking farted and blew that whole thing out. Was that you?
No, that was
Jesus Christ, Joey. What the fuck is going on in this place?
Oh, this one's all rusty too.
Yeah, it's well. You got to pick them better when you steal them, you know. Maybe you should have cased the neighborhood better before you picked your steal, you know, for the night.
This one.
You gotta get a little air in there.
Because there's stuff stuck in there.
Is there stuff? Somebody's pants? Is there just somebody's pant leg stuck in there?
Probably.
somebody's finger stuck in there, Joey? Oh yeah, somebody's string. Somebody looks like somebody tried to anti-theft device and made it out of string.
Probably.
All right, so give it a real quick walking tour to the shop here. This is what we got. Basically, we're running a stolen bicycle shop. Joey is the proprietor of the thievery.
I'm not.
He likes
Help
to.
me steal one of these bikes.
Shush, quiet now. How could I steal anything? My car's too small. I can't even. The poor dog barely fits in there. We got this Hurley that is possibly in limbo. I'm trying to work something out with somebody, but you know, we'll see what happens. But we got all kinds of toys. The tractors are coming out next. So you see the tractors here? We got these tractors. They're all pulley swapped. The green one does like 40. This one will do about 25. This one I want to make this one into a crawler. I want to put some big wheels on it. Turn that into a crawler somehow. But if you look back here, check it out. If you look through the peeky hole, the looky-loo hole, there's nothing but woods back there. I think we need to go back there and make a trail. Clean some of this garbage up. But I think we're going to go back there and make a trail and start riding all our toys back there and making some videos where we break our femurs and stuff. What do you think about that?